Good evening, my YouTube family and friends. I'm Larry from LJ's Unboxing, and here's another unboxing video. I ordered 4 devices, 4 phones from Wish, and 2 of them I got, and they absolutely stank. Worst phones ever. And the other 2 that I ordered, I never got. Of course, I reordered the one, and I showed the video on it, or for it. That was the VK World S8, which is the Samsung Galaxy S8 clone with better cameras. Now, maybe the videos aren't as good, but at least it has higher resolution. This is my last time ordering a phone from Wish, unless it absolutely is the best phone. So, here's the phone. And on the back there are some specifications. It is an Oukitel C12. So the 6.18 inch IPS touchscreen, has Android 8.1, which is Oreo. It's got a quad-core processor, 2 gigabytes of system memory, 16 gigabytes of internal storage. Well, a lot of that is probably taken up by system files, like the operating system. The rear camera is an 8 megapixel, and I believe there is a 2 megapixel depth camera. The front is a 5 megapixel camera, has GPS, AGPS, dual SIMs, 3300 milliamp hour battery, and a fingerprint scanner. It's supposed to also do face unlock. Now, open it up. And right off bat, you have the phone. And put that aside and see what else comes in the box. And let's see, we have a micro USB charger, so it is not one of the more modern phones. And we have your standard charging brick. Kind of looks like something that would be included with an iPhone, but no branding. And the rest of the stuff in here is paperwork and a warranty card. It's always good to have. Now, with that put aside, now I can pull the phone out. And as you see, it's already in a clear case, and it's a lovely purple color. And on the front, you have a pre-applied screen protector. On the right side, there is the volume up and down rocker and power button. On the bottom, you have the microphone. On the left, there's nothing. And on top, you have the USB charging port and a headphone jack. Now, on the front, we have a pre-applied screensaver. So I'm just going to pull that off. Ah, peel porn. Gotta love it. So, we'll see if it has any charge. Of course, on the back, you have your dual camera setup, your 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras, or at least I'm assuming they're both real. Of course, it's, with it being Oukitel, more than likely is. And here's the dual flash. And here is the fingerprint scanner. So let's see if it actually has power to turn on. And what do you know? It has power. So it's booting up. Look at that lovely animation. Of course, I doubt this is going to get an update. So Android Oreo, it's pretty good. I mean, I have another phone that has the Android Oreo, and it will never get updated, even though Motorola said it would. So, hi there. I will turn that back off. It looks like it has a pretty substantial charge to it. And we pull this off. Since there is no SIM tray, there's no SIM eject tool. So let's see how to get this case open so I can add my SIM card. Well, okay, the whole entire back comes off. And of course, as you can see, it supports, oh, and it turned itself back on. Well, it supports dual SIM, and they are, I'm assuming nano, although they might be, I think they are nano. And of course, a memory card slot. So, with that, stay tuned for the next video when I make the decision of whether this is worth owning or not. But it's got to be better than the other Wish phones that I got. So, till then, this is Larry from LJ's Unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button down below. If you want, you can subscribe. I mean, you know, it's all up to you. And if you do subscribe, then hit the bell icon if you want to see more of my videos as I make them. Until then, peace, my family and friends.